Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, we're bringing you something that we've never brought you before.
Yep.
We're bringing you rentals. That's right.
What?
I know a lot of you guys have been asking us for the longest time, for months, for years, to show you guys rentals. And well, we listened. And we're finally going to bring you some rentals. In fact, this is going to be the first of many rentals that we're going to be bringing you. So
right.
Again, just to give you an idea as to what's out here, because you might want to rent this or not. You know what I mean? Again, or in the sense of like it might already be rented out by the time you watch this video, because
that's the thing.
It's such an amazing place.
Yeah. And that's the thing. I mean, that was one of the reasons we were kind of skeptic about doing the rental things. However, if you see this video and you like this house, because we're in Los Héroes, and you guys know where Los Héroes is, the best location ever. In fact, we'll put the pin.
Yeah, I'm going to show exactly where we are on the map, because it's a great location. It's, again, just east of the city.
That's right. Very close to Alta Brisa, close to everything. I mean...
Yeah, close to Periférico to get to the beach, everywhere.
This area is booming. The vibe is in here.
Yeah, in fact, let me show you around real quick so people can see. Look at all these homes. There's still some under construction. But again, look at all these homes. Again, just going back to like these areas. By the way, we are not in a privada.
No,
all right.
It's
But
not.
again,
It's
just going back to all these areas, as you guys can see, there's already a bunch of people living here, and all the homes are different. Look at the facade on this home. It's amazing.
And again, guys, if you see this video, when you see this video, and if you're ready to come here, or if you're coming in a couple of months, please contact us and just let us know. And what we could do is put a deposit on the house and wait for you for a month or something, because this house will be gone like that.
Yeah,
I mean, you can see it's a corner house, so it's a bigger house.
Yeah, in fact, we're right in a cul-de-sac.
That's
as you guys
right.
can see.
If you rent a car while you're here, or if you bring your car from the U.S. or Canada, you can park your car right here.
It has a little garage and everything.
That's right. The house has a little garage. And now, from the outside, you can see the feng shui.
The garden.
Sorry about my Japanese. I'm not that good in Japanese. But the gardening. And that's the first thing that I would like to talk to you about. Because this house, every 3 weeks, included in the rent, the service of the gardening service is included.
Awesome. In fact, it comes with a lot of amenities, right?
A lot of amenities, bro.
Let's go inside the house and talk more about the amenities and what's included, such as it's furnished. It's
fully furnished. Yeah. That's right. It's fully furnished. Look,
air conditioners,
AC.
Wow, this is a big little home here,
dude.
And it's one story. I noticed it's one floor.
One floor. It's one floor.
We got lights.
Turn the lights on. There you go.
There you go.
Look at that.
Very nice.
It's a one floor house, fully furnished, stove, fridge, of course, micro, and man, this is the most important item. The coffee.
No, but it comes fully equipped. I mean, this is awesome.
Yeah, I mean, ready for you guys to move in. And okay, one thing that I need to share with you.
A lot of space.
And the rent. This house, the minimum is 6 months. But guys, because I get this question a lot.
The minimum rental.
Yeah, because I get this a lot. Hey, what do you recommend? Should I move to Mexico? I mean, buy a house and just move in, or spend a couple of weeks or a month? And guys, if you want my advice, if you want to take it, and if not, it's the same. I think you should feel the vibe for at least a year, and then decide if you buy or keep renting.
And I totally agree with you. In fact, I talk about that in my videos all the time. I tell people, before you just buy, again, everyone's different. But it's try to rent. Try to live in different neighborhoods.
Right.
Try to be in different areas.
Yeah, get the feeling, get the vibe.
Here, let's check the kitchen. But that's amazing advice. That's great advice, because that's something I give. And this is where rentals come in, because you can rent.
That's right.
And again, I love that it's only minimum 6 months, but you can have it as long as you want.
You can rent it for 1 year, for 2 years. I mean, no problem. And what do you need to know before renting a house? In your case, if you don't have a valid collateral, then you will need to pay double deposit and the month's rent, okay? And then of course you'll have to pay for the contract. The rental contract, I do recommend you to buy for the rental contract, to pay, sorry, for the rental contract. It does protect you. I mean, protects both parties, but you get also protection. And what do I mean about getting a protection? Well, this house, for example, this house comes with the gardening every 3 weeks. A person comes once a week to clean the house, also included in the rent. The water service included in the rent. Once a month, every month, the crew comes in, the administration crew, and checks, the bulbs, the electricity, plumbing, maintenance in general, also included in the rent. I mean, it's crazy. And probably you're thinking, hey man, this house for sure it's like 20,000 pesos a month. No, 12,500 pesos all included. The only two things are not included: internet and the electricity bill. That's it.
And that's it. And I mean, and come on. I mean, at the end of the day, I mean, that's nothing, because it's like,
that's right.
It's also, it relieves a lot of stress that you don't have to worry about all these other things.
Right.
And internet, you're going to want to set up on your own. You can do like me, set up Starlink. And then the light bill, you don't have to set up a utility.
No,
Again,
you don't.
You get the light bill. It's in the name of the owner. And then that's it. You
Right,
just go
right.
and pay it. So here, let's check out the rest
Yeah,
of the
let's
house.
check. Okay,
Wow.
First thing first. What could you do with this area right here? Well, if you work from home, if you're here in Mexico and Merida in particular, but you need to keep working, you can just install this L-shaped tables. Have your computer here, or a TV and some chairs, some mattresses, and have it as a TV area, or just to store your oh, sorry guys.
Oh, see, look,
That was me.
No, I was gonna say that's somebody already wanting to rent.
Yeah.
No, but yeah, you can have a dining room table here instead of having it here. You can do so many things. At the end of the day,
many things.
This place has furniture in it already, and yet it's you can see it's very spacious. All right, let's check out room number 1.
All right.
Wow, very nice.
Nice.
Huge. This is really huge.
Yeah.
Wow.
Very cool, man.
Interesting.
I can smell.
It smells very clean.
Yeah.
It smells like we're in an Airbnb almost, right?
Yeah.
And air conditioner. Again, all the rooms have air conditioning.
And it has closets.
Yeah.
I mean, each room. I bet each room has its own closet.
Yeah.
And a little nice table. Oh,
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Again, just more, more. What is it like?
You have enough.
Yeah.
This is enough, to rent and spend time in a house.
Yeah.
Feels comfortable, feels cozy, feels familiar.
Yeah. And the price is right. Again, as you were saying, 12,500, which at today's exchange rate translates to like
Less than-
725. So, but around $700. This is amazing. And again, the only thing you got to pay for is a light bill.
Right. And if you with the contract, I was explaining the contract thing. Okay, so you paid the contract. The contract, more or less, the fee, the notary fee would be around 6,000 pesos, like $300 or less. But that gives you the certainty that every month the crew will come in and check on the property that everything's working. Every 3 weeks, there's a guarantee that the crew that does the gardening will come into the house and do their thing. The cleaning, I mean, you will have this. That's your security.
Yeah,
right
it's
there.
very important. Again, I would not rent. Yeah, I would not rent a place without a rental agreement, a contract, whatever you want to call it. But you need to have one because, again, I've been in situations where again, you can get really nasty really quickly. So it's always good to have.
Oh,
so again, we got a bathroom. All right.
Smart. The door opens to the inside.
Nice.
Yeah.
So we got a full
saving
bathroom
on
here.
space.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Full bathroom.
Nice.
Glasses in.
Here we got
Yeah.
everything you need for a bathroom. What else do you want? Huh?
Enough. Right.
Beautiful. But again, as you were saying about the rental, what do you
rental
need?
agreement?
Yeah, rental agreement. Not just a rental agreement, but what do you need in order to come into this home? So again, as I've talked about in other videos, not only do you need the first month's rent, you need a deposit.
It does have internet.
Oh, it does have internet.
Yeah,
oh, look at
and
that.
at the beginning I said it
No
was,
internet.
Yeah.
So all you got to pay is for the light bill.
Surprise.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. So I mean, this is a super bargain. This is amazing, and it comes with a TV, again, air conditioner, cabinets,
Beds.
fans, everything, the whole line.
Everything.
But again, just going back to what you need to rent most homes out here, and especially again, just talking about this home. Again, you need the first month's rent. You need a deposit. You also need this thing called an aval. But again, we've talked about it multiple times. Yeah, most people do not have an aval. It's just a cosigner. So what that means is that you need a second deposit. So two deposits,
and month's rent,
and 1 month's rent. That's it.
And you pay for the contract.
And the contract,
like 6,000 pesos.
Yeah,
and that's it. In fact, if you take advantage of instead of renting the house for 6 months, maybe you can take advantage and rent it for a year.
Yeah, because every 6 months you're gonna have to renew the contract.
Exactly.
Yeah. But some people only come to Mexico for 6 months.
Oh yeah, exactly.
So that's great.
That's for a family or a person that wants to stay, for a year.
Yeah. No, but this is all great. It has all the options because many places don't rent for 6 months.
Oh no.
There's a lot of places that only do 1 year minimum.
That's right. But the thing about this house is, because it comes with the administration, the cleaning and all that stuff, they can manage, to do that, to rent it for 6 months.
So again, guys, remember, it comes with a gardener. It comes with maintenance. It comes with basically all the utilities.
The cleaning,
the cleaning service,
gardening.
Everything. It just comes with, it's amazing. And for
you
the price.
You just pay for the electricity.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah, because if you want to, leave your ACs running 24/7, well, you can do that, but that'll be entirely up to you. Let's check the patio.
That's right. It has a backyard as well. Beautiful. Look at that.
Dude, the house is fantastic, man.
Yeah. There's a lot of space out here.
Great.
Huh. Yeah, but a lot of times these homes don't. A lot of times
you need to do is buy a barbecue.
A lot of times these homes don't have this much space. Wow.
$12.50.
This is great. And by the way, again, obviously you're renting a home. You're not gonna put a pool here, but you could put a pool here because again, you guys have seen my videos. I put the inflatable pool. There's many other pool
There's
options.
enough space.
Again, there's more space back behind you. There's tons of space. Again, check this out. Wow. Again, you can put your washing machines there, your water heater.
That's the benefit of having a corner house. Look, you can park 3 cars easily.
Yeah, look
at that.
All you
need to just move the tank.
Bro, it even has a water heater. Look at that.
Does.
So it has everything, man. So it has a gas tank. It has a water heater. In fact, one of the fancy new water heaters. Again, if you choose to park your cars, your motorcycles, your bicycles, whatever back here, you can park them back here. Plenty of space.
And those, the lighting.
The lights.
Yeah, I bet that this place at night looks
beautiful.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
Yeah, because at the new house that we're at, we got the lights outside. Man, it looks so nice outside.
That was so crazy.
Nighttime. So it has all these lights there, lights everywhere. It is beautiful.
Yeah, the system. The water system, so you can just.
Wow. Huh? Man, you guys did a great, for the first rental. Jeez. Man, you see?
I'm surprised
I'm telling you, man, this guy's the best here.
I'm surprised as well.
So, any more words? Anything else you want to say about rentals or
rent
anything like
it.
that? I think that's it. Yeah, just rent it now. Just rent it. Yeah, in fact,
just rent it now.
It's a great time to talk to you guys about the fact that, again, remember, we're building a whole team of individuals out there, to help you guys out. Not just Jose and his team. We got Calypso Roots. You remember Alejandra over there? We've interviewed her. She can help you even deeper with rentals. Remember, we're all working together here. All right, so this is why we're bringing you more rentals, and we're going to be able to not just bring them to you, but we're going to be able to facilitate you getting into these rentals, into these homes. Right. Again, not just here, but all over the city and beyond, all right? So, this is awesome. Man, for the first home. In fact, let us know down below what you guys think about this rental, and hopefully it's not rented, by the time that you guys reach out to us.
The day you see this video, if you like this house, immediately, hey, where do I send my deposit? That's the next thing you need to do. Because this house will be gone.
And one thing I wanted to say, quick. Let's just say that, again, by the time that they reach out to you, that this place is already rented out. Would you be able to find similar homes?
Yeah. We'll find another option for sure. But this one, man, this one rocks.
It does rock. It does rock. It does rock.
You know what? The thing is this. Not many houses will include in the rent what's included in this one.
Right.
That's the thing.
Yeah. No,
so that makes this house different.
Yeah. I'm paying the same for my house, and I'm not getting all these amenities. I'm not getting anything. In fact, I'm about, hey, I got to renegotiate my own contract.
Right.
Anyways, this is awesome. All right, guys. So you already know the deal. We're going to put the links down below. For the the rental. We're going to put the links, at the end of this video so you guys can see more house tours, houses that we have for sale, houses that we have for rent, and other videos. Remember, I've done tons of videos with Jose talking about, everything from Fidel Comisos, to the laws, to getting a loan if you need a rent, if you need to buy a home, whatever it is you need. So again, please, guys, check out all the videos that we're going to link at the end of this one, and I think that's
rent
it. And rent the home.
That's it.
We're looking forward to hearing from you guys. So, all right, guys, you already know the deal. If you like this kind of content, you want to see more, don't forget to please like, please subscribe, please share, please hit the bell icon. But more importantly than anything else, please stay awesome. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.